Hey Alison, this is Benjamin, United BMW, going to show you your new vehicle that I will be finishing the paperwork and we'll be having it sent out to you in Indiana. There is your new baby. It will be cleaned up for your husband when he comes on Monday flying in. You got the lovely angel eyes for the headlights, the beautiful blue. New tires, you got the beige interior. Give you a nice walk around on your vehicle. Very well taken care of automobile. This just been returned on lease. We're gonna go inside and get the miles off and complete your paperwork. Your current miles are 22,132. See you soon. Thanks for being a loyal customer. Bye.